What we need to do now is find a little kite like this. Here's the little kite. And through this kite there runs a valley fold that goes up to the middle here. It goes from here through the kite down to until the edge of the paper. Now we concentrate on this kite and we grab it from below like this. I'm gonna turn the paper over so you can see from the inside what I do. Here's the little kite, and here's the valley fold that now is a mountain fold, of course, because we turned the paper over. And I grab this little kite and fold it to a side. That's what I do on the inside. You see? I grab this little kite and fold it to a side. Like this. Now I turn it over again. The crease next to it should be a mountain fold here. So when I do this, look what happens. Here, paper goes inside and builds a little triangle. And I'm going to the next kite here. Valley fold all through, up to the top. Grab the little kite from inside and fold it to a side. And make this crease here a mountain fold. You see, here's a mountain fold, here's a valley fold, here's a mountain fold, here's a valley fold. Okay, here's the next little kite. Reinforce the valley fold, grab the little kite and fold it to a side. Like this. I turn the paper over now to show you what happened on the inside. You see, here is a little kite and it folds to a side like this, and here's the next one, and here's the next one. Oh, it doesn't want at the moment. Okay, like this. And we continue doing so. We can also do this from the inside now. Pop this over, grab the little kite and fold it to the side. And here, grab the little kite and fold it to the side. I'm gonna continue on the other side. This is a little tricky, but once you've figured out how to do it, it will be easier. Always concentrate on the little kites. this, or on the inside. You should look that all the little kites are going to the same side. Okay. Look all around that everything is nice. Good. Now the hardest part follows. We need to twist the middle part in this direction. So here's a mountain fold and here's a valley fold, and we need to twist it in the direction of the valley folds. So press it together in the middle a bit. I'm gonna turn it over to show you a little bit better what happens. You see here this aligns with the back of the model, and we need this on all sides. This is a little bit tricky. Just like this. And if you turn it over, you have this wonderful structure on top. You can now flatten the little triangles here. And make sure they're all equal and nice arranged. Okay, that's the top.